Before we learn about decision making and loops, we need to understand about Boolean expression. Consider this example. Here 5 greater than 6 is a Boolean expression. This expression evaluates to either true or false. In the above example, it evaluates to false as 5 is not greater than 6. So true and false are predefined in Python. It's important to note that true and false are case sensitive. It's very important to note true and false are case sensitive. And greater than in the Boolean expression 5 greater than 6. So greater than is a comparison operator. Let us discuss more comparison operator and Boolean expression in next example. Comparison operators are used to compare values. It either returns true or false according to the condition. In this example, you can say so greater than 6 greater than 5. So 6 will check with the 5 and it will evaluate it's true because 6 is greater than 5. 6 less than 5, it is false because it will evaluate 6 is not less than 5, 6 is greater than 5. So it will give the result is a false. Here in the next 6 equal to 5. So it will evaluate 6 is not equal to 5. So it will give the result false. Not equal to 6 not equal to 5. So it is true because 6 not equal to 5. So you can see in this example the different operators here, the different expressions and the result. Let's try a few working examples to understand comparison operators better. Examples, comparison operators. Here you can see x and y, the value of x equal to 10 and the value of y equal to 12. So in the first two statements you can see print x greater than y and print x less than y. So print x greater than y is false because x is not greater than y because x equal to 10 and y equal to 12. So 10 is less than 12, not greater than 12. So that's why it's false. Here x less than y is true because the value of x equal to 10 and the value of y equal to 12. So 10 less than 12, yes, it is true. That's why it will give the output true. The next print x equal to y, yes, it is false because the value of x and y is different. The value of x equal to 10 and the value of y equal to 12. X equal to 10, yes, it is true. You can see in this picture the value of x equal to 10. So 10 equal to 10, it is true. So here we will learn about some comparison operator and how it will give the result. Now we will learn about logical operators next. Logical operators are the and, or, and not. So these three and, or, and not operators are the logical operators. And operators when it will be true if both the operands are true. Or operators will give the result true if either one of the operand is true. And not operator is true if the operand is false. Let's see some examples of each logical operators. First, and operator. An expression containing and operator evaluate to true if both the operands are true. So the condition is if both the operands are true, then evaluates it's a true. Here in this picture you can see print true and true. So both operands are true, then it will give the result true. Print false and true. So it will give the result false because if any one of the operand will false, it will give the result false. So for AND operator, both the conditions should be true. In the third print line, you can see print false and false. So it is false because both the operands are false. Let's try one more example. Here you can see the variable a, b, c containing value a1, 2 and 3. Print b greater than a and c greater than a is true. Why? Because the value of b is greater than a, yes, and c is greater than a, yes. The value of b is 2 and the value of b a equal to 1, so 2 greater than 1. Yes, it is true. And c, the value of c is 3 and the value of a is 1, so 3 greater than 1. Yes, it is true. So both the operand is true, that's why it is true. Next print line, c greater than a and c less than 0. So here c greater than a, so c, the value of c is 3 and the value of a equal to 1, so 3 greater than 1, it's true. So first operand is, the first condition is true. Second, c less than 0, no, c is not less than 0, so this means it is false. So if one of the operand, if you are using AND operator, is false, this means the result will be false, so that's why it is false. OR operator. An expression containing OR operator evaluates to true if either of the operand is true. Here you can see the one in this picture, print, and then there is a two expression, true or true. So here both the operand is true, then its output is true. Next print statement, the first one is false and the second one is true. So if one of the operand, any one of the operand is true, it will be true in OR condition. Third print statement, you can see the both the operands, both the expression is false. So here false will be the output. Let's try one more example. There is a three variable a, b, c and the value is 1, 2 and 3. So print b greater than a or c greater than a. So this is true. Why? Here b greater than a or c greater than a evaluates to true because both the expression b greater than a and c greater than a are true. The second print, c less than 0 or c greater than a evaluates to true because c greater than a is true. C less than 0, it's not it's a false, but c greater than is a, it's true. So if any one of the operand, if the any one of the expression is true, so it will give the result true. C equal to 4 in third print, c equal to 4 or b not equal to 2. So evaluate to false because both c equal to 4 and b not equal to 2 are false. So the result will be false. Not operator. An expression containing not operator is true if the operand is false. In this example, you can see print not true, it's giving the result false, and print not false, it will give the result true. This means print an expression containing a not operator is true if the operand is false. So if the operand is false, it will give the result true. Let's try one more example. Here print x equal to 5 and print not x not equal to 5. So yes, it's not equal to 5, so it is true. Print not x equal to 5, so it will be false. So in this video, we learned about two types of operators, comparison operator and logical operators. We also learned about Boolean expressions which result to either true or false. So to next video, we will see the decision making statements and looping statement. Till then, goodbye.